What level? Like your first year, second year, third year, or fourth year?
One.
I am first year college.
University. Campus.
Okay, first year. Okay, 18 years old, first year. Where did you graduate? What school did you graduate when you were in high school?
High school. Where?
Sao Thong Vitaya School.
So in that case, you say, I graduated from. I graduated from. You say it. I graduated.
Again, please.
I graduated
I graduated
from.
from Sao Thong Vitaya School in Nakhon Si Thammarat, Thailand.
Oh, complete. Okay. Sao Thong.
Rontibun district.
Oh, somewhere in Rontibun. Yeah, sure. Come in, please. Good morning. Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah. What breakfast did you have? Rice and
Chicken.
chicken. Oh, chicken. What? Fried chicken or chicken soup? Because when we say chicken, what type of food? Chicken, like what way? Fried chicken. All right. More questions? If you like to ask questions. No? Okay. I would like you to ask questions to each other. Right? Anything. So please make it slowly and let them hear so that they understand also. Okay? Ask first. Microphone, please.
Naruan Chusi.
Again.
What's your name?
My name is Naruan Chusi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
How long are you?
Again, please.
How many long? This Nakhon Si Thammarat.
Okay, so in that case we say, how long have you been here in Nakhon Si Thammarat?
Yes.
How long?
I live in Nakhon Si Thammarat. 18.
I've been here in Nakhon Si Thammarat for 18 years.
What's the inspiration from the teaching?
Again, please.
What's the inspiration for teacher?
What's your inspiration being a teacher? Okay? Inspiration. What gives you inspiration to be a teacher?
I have one teacher. I love and like my teacher.
Okay, so you love your teacher here over in around the university.
Yes.
Okay.
Secondary school before you degree. He loves and like teacher in the primary and secondary school before.
So meaning, since you were a little one, you really love teaching. Okay. So maybe she is inspired like one of her teachers. She really likes, oh, I really love, why? Why do you like to be a teacher? Like only love teaching? What else? What else? Aside from you love teaching, aside from you love teaching, what else? Why do you really love teaching?
She is good teacher.
And
She is very smart.
Smart. Oh, smart. S-M-A-R-T.
smile.
Smile. S-M-I-L-E.
Oh, she smiles always. Okay. Oh, that's why I think her inspiration is a teacher here in the university because she smiles. So when you teach, you also smiles always. You also smile always, right? Okay, so that's her inspiration. Anybody from your family, like your father, mother, are they teachers? Are they teachers or not?
His family is my father, my mother,
Are.
my father and my mother same my same teacher.
Oh, so it means to say my parents are teachers. Oh, so that's why you're really inspired being a teacher, huh? Okay, more questions? No? No questions? Okay, I have a question for you. What is your ambition in life? Microphone, please.
Don't worry about it, ma'am. It's okay. Nothing asked for you.
Nothing else for you. What is your ambition in life? What do you want to be?
I'm tourist guide.
Oh, he would like to be a tourist guide. Tourist guide around the world?
It's not to Thailand.
In Thailand.
Yes.
Okay, so
Not to Thailand.
you love Thailand, right?
Yes, I love it
Very
very much.
much. Okay, so you asked me about what's my inspiration being a teacher, and how about you? What's your inspiration being, if you like to be a tourist guide?
Mine is inspiration for me. I love to speak in English and conversation to people, everybody. Yes.
Okay, so he loves to speak English. That's his inspiration to be a tourist guide. Okay, did you get it? Tourist guide. Tourist guide. What level are you now?
Tour guide.
What year are you now?
What's the Tony?
Yes.
What's the
What year are you now?
20
Second year?
second year.
Second year.
Yes.
Okay. His second year, she's first year. Alright.
I'm first year.
Oh, you're still first year.
Yes, I'm first year.
Okay. May I know what province are you from?
From
Province. Province.
Nakhon Sri Thammarat.
Oh, you're from Nakhon Si Thammarat. I thought you're from Bangkok, from different province. Alright. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. Next, first year. I need second year. What about second year? Do we have here second year? Second year? This group? Yes? Okay. Second year, please. 2 people. Thank you so much. Sit down, please.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
See you later. Bye. Second year.